Hi, my name is Stephanie Walker. I'm a senior biology major at Texas A&M University. I'm looking for a position that would allow me to use my research and analysis skills in the healthcare industry. Over the past few years, I have been strengthening these skills through my volunteer and internship work at Memorial Hermann Hospital and local nursing homes. While working at the oncology department at Memorial Hermann, I encountered many patients who were battling with cancer. I'm interested in joining St. Luke's research team in the search to find a cure for thyroid cancer. I'm willing to apply teamwork to build a positive working environment. Also, I'm willing to work above and beyond what is typically required whenever a research project is being done. Being part of St. Luke's will be an amazing opportunity. At the same time, it will help me gain valuable experience, such as learning how to use stem cells to find a cure for cancer. Thank you for taking your time. Have a wonderful day.